In this video, we will discuss resolution of a vector in a plane. Learning outcomes. A student can resolve a vector along axis, can solve the problems related to motion in a plane. Now, resolution of vector. The process of splitting of a vector into two or more components is known as resolution of vector. First, rectangular resolution of a vector in a plane. We can resolve a vector in terms of component vectors that lie along unit vector I cap and j cap. Consider a vector A that lie in xy plane as shown in figure. Here, perpendicular from P to x-axis and y-axis is drawn and B to get a vector A1 and A2 such that A1 vector A1 plus vector A2 equal to vector A. Since vector A1 is parallel to unit vector I cap and A2 is parallel to j cap, so A1 equal to AX I cap and A2 equal to AY j cap, where X and Y are real numbers and a scalar. The quantities Ax and Ay are called x and y component of vector A. Hence, vector A can be resolved as Ax I cap plus Ay j cap. Now, resolution of a vector using trigonometry. Let a vector A makes angle theta with x-axis and lying in plane xy plane. So, A cos theta is Ax and A sin theta is Ay. Now, we have two ways to specify a vector in a plane. It can be specified by its magnitude and direction with x-axis or its component Ax and Ay. Thus, vector A equal to Ax I cap plus Ay j cap, or this is equal to A cos theta I cap plus A sin theta j cap. Here, Ax square plus Ay square equal to A square cos square theta plus A square sin square theta equal to A square, or a magnitude of vector A equal to root under Ax square plus Ay square and tan theta equal to Ay divided by Ax. Now, resolution of a vector in terms of two given vectors. Let vector A and vector B be any two non-zero vectors in a plane with different direction, and vector A be another vector in the same plane. Vector A can be expressed as sum of two vectors, one obtained by multiplying a real number alpha with vector A and other obtained by multiplying vector B by another real number beta. The vector OQ and vector QP are given by alpha into A and beta into B. By triangle law vector OP equal to vector OQ plus vector QP. Thus, vector A equal to alpha vector A plus beta into vector B. The vector A is said to be resolved into alpha vector A and beta vector B along A and B respectively. Now, resolution of a vector into three rectangular components in a space. Let us resolve a vector A into three components along x, y and z axis. Consider alpha, beta and gamma are angles between vector A and x, y and z axis respectively. Then ax equal to a cos alpha, ay equal to a cos beta and az equal to a cos gamma, where cos alpha is equal to ax by mod a, cos beta equal to a by mod a and cos gamma equal to az by mod a, and cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1. In general, vector A is equal to axi cap plus ayj cap plus azk cap, and its magnitude is root under ax square plus ay square plus az square. Now a question for practice. What's the components of vector A 2i cap plus 3j cap along the directions of vectors I cap plus j cap and I cap minus j cap? Options are here. Correct answer is C. For detailed solution of this question is given here. You can do at your own level and check the answer. Thank you.